if you sleep and you're like, then you need this. First, no one's trying to hear that when they're trying to sleep. Second, we're not trying to have double chins by having our mouth open all night long. And having your mouth tip when you're sleeping is not as scary as you think. Just take the backing off and stick it right on your mouth. You can still breathe. Since it has that little hole, you can still breathe from your mouth and drink from a straw. So if you're trying to work on your snoring or just get better sleep, then just get this and tape your freaking mouth shut.